you're experiencing issues with voice chat not working in FIFA 24, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get your voice chat up and running. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Go to your system's audio settings and verify that the microphone is enabled and set as the default input device. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the audio settings in the game menu. Make sure that the voice chat option is enabled and that the correct input device is selected for voice communication. Step 3. Update your audio drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Check for updates for your audio drivers through your device manager or the manufacturer's website and install any available updates. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can affect voice chat functionality. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and consider resetting your router if you're experiencing connectivity issues. Step 5. Restart the game and device. Sometimes, simply restarting FIFA 24 or your gaming device can resolve temporary glitches. Close the game completely, restart your device, and then relaunch the game to see if the issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the voice chat issue in FIFA 24. If problems continue, consider reaching out to the game's support team for further assistance.